Yes, it's me again, Tommy Stewart. How are you doing? I hope you're all very well. Today I'm going to talk about ChatterPal, ChatterPal, which has been put together by a guy called Paul Ponner, and it sells at $47 and it's available now as of today. It's really quite a fantastic piece of software for selling on the internet, interacting with your customers and making them feel very impressed and very well looked after. It's about animated chat, how you can talk to an avatar on your screen, and the avatar talks back to you and it talks back in a sensible manner. It reminds me, I'm a businessman, always have been, and I was looking at going into the chicken business once upon a time, whereby you could go down to a local shop that I would own to buy a whole chicken or a half chicken ready cooked, with all the other little bits and pieces that go with it. But the idea was, we talked about, was to have a large television screen in the shop where the counter was, and in the screen would be a cockerel. And when the customer walked into we would have in the back shop a microphone, a guy with a microphone, and he would see when a person had walked into the shop, and when he spoke into his microphone in the back shop, the cockerel would move around, and so when the customer walked into the shop, the cockerel, they would be looking around, and suddenly the cockerel would say, "Good evening, sir, can I help you?" Well, "Good evening, madam," whichever was the case. And the reaction was quite fantastic, absolutely fabulous. The guy would look at the cockerel and look at it and stand there dumbfounded a bit, and then say, "Well, yes you can." And the cockerel would say, "Well then, would you like to pick a menu up from the counter, sir, just below, and tell me what you would like to order, and I will organise the kitchen for you." And the guy would say, "Oh, right, okay." And then we had a conversation going. This is much the same thing. Like I say, we have different avatars, but and they talk to you. You type in, "I'm interested in a table tonight," and the avatar would say, "Oh, for how many, sir?" And you would say, "Well, for 4." And then the avatar would say, "What time would you like your table ready for, sir?" And then you would say, "Well, I'd like it ready for 8 o'clock." And then the avatar would maybe say, "Would you like to have a look at a menu that will be available on that particular evening?" It really, really, really is very clever and quite fantastic. I love it. But the thing with this is, the clever thing with this is, it's in 25 languages, which is absolutely astounding. Absolutely astounding. I mean, why would one want more than one language in America? Well, maybe Spanish, you see, in America, but in the United Kingdom, yeah, it's where we could have different languages for different people. You click on the language you prefer. If you are Pakistani or Indian or whatever, you would pick on your language, and there you go. Off you go into a conversation. Another great thing about this ChatterPal is that they have logos. They're wearing logos which you can organise to show your logo. Absolutely fantastic. Now then, this here is a website that I've put together about ChatterPal, and it tells you what ChatterPal is all about. Here, I'm not going to go on. Well, okay, it's a revolutionary new technology designed to boost sales, leads and results using several industry, needing features and artificial intelligence. It's also very technical, isn't it? Customers can add ChatterPals to any website, even ones they don't own. The best part, with ChatterPal, customers can create smart chat automation in any language. And there you go. And then we go a bit further down. Let's presume you walk into a restaurant, a customer finds your website, sees your avatar, and asks in what days you are open, if you're a restaurateur, for example, and it would reply. Ending with, "Can I help you with anything, sir?" And it's really is quite amazing and fantastic. Total control over your chat agent's identity, look and voice with these options and capabilities. Check out the bonuses. Here's the bonuses. Now, with ChatterPal, they've given you not one bonus, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there's your funnel. OT1 $44, OT2 $67, O20 3 $39, and OTO4 $27. And as it says here, and last of all but not least, my bonuses. Here you are, my bonuses, ChatterPal. You click on this little link here, it takes you straight to where you can purchase this, by the way. The bonus number 1, video robot, your own green screen talking avatars, video robot, how to create an avatar. Chatterbox number 2, number 3, and number 4, all on the same vein as the ChatterPal. In case if you're going to buy ChatterPal, these 4 bonuses I put together for you are in the same ilk, if you like, so you're not wasting your time reading them. They will add to the value of the $47 that you're going to pay. And I think I've covered everything with regards to this website that I put together here. If you look below now, you will see my VDU. You can just Tommy Stewart, my name there. Just click on it. It will bring this up, and you can chat away. You can read away to your heart's content until you really understand what it's all about. But like I said, I think it's great value. Adds a lot of fun to what you're selling. It can be anything, not just a restaurant. It can be a garage where you walk into the reception, you want to book your car in for a service. "Oh, hello, I want to book my car in." "Oh yes, what make is your car, sir, please?" And then it starts up. "And when would you like to bring your car in?" Blah blah blah. And a pet poodle place, where they wash your dog and stuff like that. Fantastic. Really can be well adapted to any business you're running, and I thoroughly recommend it. A load of fun, great fun. With that, I'm going to leave you now. Don't forget, go below and you can get this website up here and have another read at it. Thanks very much. Bye bye.